Please pay attention. This is just a preview. To get the full free affiliate marketing course, click the link above the video, and get started with Affilorama today. It's free.
In this lesson, we'll give you an overview of the affiliate marketing process to get an idea of how it all works, and then we'll give you an example to use as a reference. It's important when learning about the whole process not to feel overwhelmed. So we're going to finish off with an outline of what you can get started with straight away. So let's dive in and discover what's involved. Firstly, pick a topic that you're interested in that all marketing.
So here's our suggestion. Learn how to make money online as an affiliate, promote other people's products and make money for yourself. We show you how. Create your free Affilorama membership and start today. Join now, it's free. Click the link above the video. Or visit mmn-global.com/business and get started with Affilorama today. It's free. What are you waiting for?